I'm Gus, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a vertical garden using an outdoor screen panel. For this project, you're going to need an outdoor screen panel, some vertical hanging pots, a drill, a screw gun, a tape measure, a pencil, a spirit level, safety glasses and gloves, and some 75mm galvanised screws. The first step is to decide where I want the vertical garden, and then I'll measure up to figure out how many panels I need. Next, grab your spirit level and a friend and hold the panel up to the fence, check that it's level. Once you've got the bubble in the middle, you know it's level and you're ready to mark your holes. Screw the panel straight to the fence using a galvanised 75mm screw, making sure it's secure. A great idea is to put one screw in and then check the level before you put the second screw in case it's moved. That's the really hard part done. Now you just need to choose the plants you want to hang in your garden. Succulents are great if you want to go away for a couple of days and maybe don't have someone to water your garden. There are no rules to how you arrange the plants on your vertical garden. It's totally up to you. You can always change it up again later. You can use herbs, succulents, seedlings, whatever you like. You can even swap the plants out seasonally to keep the garden looking fresh. And that's it, your vertical garden's done. A great way to cover up a boring bit of fence and create a great focal point for your garden.